This is the type of acetylene torch that you would find most plumbers using. It's got a gauge, and of course I usually like to have about a 6-foot hose in case I have to go high up on a ladder, and I can leave the tank down low. And of course a striker, and they do make torches that do have the automatic igniter. We just don't have one here. And lead-free solder. And usually before I solder, I like to pull a string of it out and kind of put a curve on the end of it so that I can get to the back side of a fitting if I'm soldering it without having to actually reach around or just hook it around there. And here I have it set up on the floor where it's kind of propped up to where it's not really touching the wood. And now I can just start soldering each connection. And notice when I do go to solder that the fire will be aiming up and not toward the wood. And of course, the hottest point, the hottest part of the fire would be the light blue flame that you see. And the tip of that will be the hottest point. Notice that I am keeping the heat on the valve itself. And once the valve heats up, the pipe will heat up and the solder will be sucked right up into the fitting itself. Okay, now before we can put the new shower valve in, we will have to remove the old shower valve, and right now just cutting the pipe. This may have to come out in pieces, but I will use the torch to pull the end parts up and out of there. Just reheating it and pulling it out. These are mini cutters that will cut up from 3/8 to 1-inch pipe, and it's real handy for tight little spots. You just turn, and every time you make a few turns, you tighten the little wheel on the side, and it cramps down on it a little more, and you just turn again, and you continue this process until the pipe is cut clear through.